These things. How to love a man. If you love a man, don't just love the man, love what he is passionate about. Love what makes him happy, love his ambitions, love his imperfections, accept what he earns, accept what he rides, and accept where he resides. And if you love a man, accept his family the way it is, accept the culture of his family. It's not about inequality, it's about the role of a woman has to play. It's a very powerful role. Leaving her parents, her siblings, her house and everything she was associated with, a woman has to enter to a whole new system, and you can't enter a new family by not accepting them the way they are. You can't love a man if you don't love all those things associated with him. If you really want to change something, first enter the system, make your space in the hearts of the family, and then make a difference and rule the family. Love is not mere attraction of the other person. Love is the idea of being able to spend a life together. And on the other side, if you are a man, you should read this and understand this too, how to love a woman. If you love a woman, don't just love the woman, respect her ideas, respect her ambitions, respect her talents, and respect her sacrifice. The sacrifice that she is going to make for you by leaving her parents and siblings and the house she grew up. Respect the fact that your life hasn't much changed, but her everything has, and she is totally counting on you. She might be vulnerable and she might feel alone and overwhelmed. If you love a woman, make her place in the hearts of your family. If you love a woman, love with her imperfections. But if you really want to change something about her, communicate with her and give her time. Love is not mere attraction of the other person. Love is the idea of being able to spend a life together.